Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. Now in this video, we're going to talk about the next crypto that I'm starting to buy that I truly believe over the next couple of years could probably go anywhere from a 5 to 25x. And that crypto is Cardano ADA. I really have been doing a lot of research in this. I love what they're doing. They just came out with their Sunday swap, kind of like a Uniswap, pancake swap, but for the Cardano network. I'm seeing a lot of big business, kind of enterprise type of companies starting to use their smart contracts. There's a ton of projects that are working on the Cardano side, and I love it because look at this pullback in addition to it, right? We're literally trading right around $1 right now on Cardano. And I'm going to kind of go over what the chart looks like, buy point levels that I like. I have started to buy this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just some dude on YouTube. But I am buying it in my own personal account. And then what I'm doing is once I buy it, I move it over to my Yuri wallet and I stake it and I collect an extra 5% and I get paid back in Cardano, which is, and that 5% is per year. And so it gives me an extra little passive income. Now, the people I'm using or staking with is AMINT. Okay, there's a bunch of different stake pools and their name is AMINT. Okay, that's their staking pool. This is their website, Cardano Mint. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can kind of go over, take a look at what they do. They teach you how to do it for Dedulus or your wallet staking. It's very simple. I've done everything directly from my phone app. So it also explains what staking is in the pool. So make sure you check them out if you're interested in staking your Cardano. But with that being said, let's take a look at a chart and see where we are on the chart. So as I grab my Fibonacci tool, right, let's just go from the low all the way up to the high and look at this pullback, right? The very first pullback, we bounce right off the 38. Okay, kind of bounce around there, come down, and then we come right into our little sniper zone of the 61,870. I've done multiple videos on this strategy, and we are actually directly in the buy zone. Now, with that being said, I do believe we are in crypto winter. I think there is a little more downside because I believe the stock market's going to go lower. I believe Bitcoin's going lower. We're not done with this pullback, which will probably drag Cardano down with it, which is okay because it means I could buy at lower prices. Now, where do I think we're going to go? I personally think we'll go somewhere in between here, probably around the 78 level to the 70 level. I think just kind of using one of my trade zones that I just drew, right? I'm leaning against this candle. This is essentially the last stand for the bulls. I think we'll get down there. Maybe it's a spike. Maybe as Bitcoin sells off really hard, we kind of have like a big move in crypto really quick. I think you have to have pending orders. You could use Coinbase or Binance, any of the big brokerage firms, and just put pending orders in there. And then once you get filled, just transfer it to your Yuri wallet and go stake it. Literally takes a couple minutes to do that process. But this is where I actually think we're going, because if we draw a fib extension, right, just from this last leg of the move, right, I'm just going to go from that high to this low, and then right back up, it takes us right to the 1618. We could see we came down to the 127 exactly and bounced. The ultimate target would be this 200, but personally, I don't think we'll get there, but just keep it, kind of just keep an eye on it. Don't go all in at one price. So this is more of a scale in. So maybe you want to buy some here. As it goes lower, you buy some more there. And if it goes to this final 48 level, okay, which is kind of the breakout from this parabolic move right here, maybe we get there. I think that would be the lowest it goes, and then it could reverse and go higher. And one last thing, if we just draw, right, a couple of trend lines, right, we are in a very, very clean channel. And if we kind of roll back over, look at this, right? The zone lines up with the bottom of this channel, and then it would be a great bounce all the way back up to the upper end of that channel. And even if you had a pending order in, let's say we spike down to 75, we could get all the way back to 125. It's a pretty decent gain. So just something to keep an eye on. Again, just want to bring this to you. I'm starting to buy it. Doesn't mean you have to do your own homework, your due diligence, but I do think they are starting to gain more and more traction and is the next kind of big crypto for the next couple years. So with that being said, as always, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Oh, also leave in the comment if you guys own Cardano, if you guys are buying it, anything like that. Let me know your thoughts on it. Sounds good? Talk to you soon.